Hi guys, it's Digitize Pro and welcome back to the fourth HTML tutorial. And if you've been watching my videos when they're uploaded, you'll notice that recently I uploaded an HTML tutorial on how to format text. But also, you may know that I've deleted it. Well, I deleted it because I've been doing some thinking, and basically the code that was HTML4 and XHTML. And that's the standard for all browsers. So you open up Google, and this is the standard for Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Oh, whoa, that's been weird. Standard for Google Chrome and Internet Explorer is, I've forgotten what I was going to say, is HTML4 and XHTML. But anyway, if I close that down, and well, you're probably thinking, hang on, I thought HTML5 was the new one. It is the new one, but it's not a standard on browsers, and it predicted that HTML5 will only be a standard on browsers around about 2022, but don't quote me on that because I'm not completely sure. But yeah, I think it's 2002 is when it will become a standard, but it's not yet. But then I thought, well, sorry, I thought that, well, people in their primary and secondary years of education currently now in 2015, if they become web developers when they're older, they're going to be using HTML5. So I thought, I'm going to teach you guys in HTML5. And basically, the difference between HTML5 and HTML4 is HTML5 got rid of all the formatting code, and so like there's no such thing as a center tag anymore. The only tags that there are is like the simple text tags and forms, which are like input boxes, checkboxes, and then all the media like images, videos, and audio. And of course loads of other tags, but I'm not going to go through them now because there's quite a few. And if you want to make text or anything look nice, you use CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, I think. Yeah, and that's what you use to format the text, not HTML anymore. And of course, if you want it to do something, then you're going to use JavaScript. So I decided I'm going to teach you guys the HTML5. Not all of it actually works currently on browsers, but I'm testing the code before I do the video just to see that it works. But this video, if you read the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do links, and that's enough waffling. Let's get started. So if we just open up Notepad, you'll notice that this is, ooh, we just need to delete that. Don't ignore that. Don't see it. It doesn't exist anymore in HTML5. You didn't see that. Sorry, that was from the previous video that I deleted. But anyway, so this is the code. Let's just resave that. And at the moment, if we run that, so run in Chrome, you'll see. I don't know why it does that. I think it's the screen recording software that makes it kind of not be maximized. It says this is a heading, this is a paragraph. So let's just close that down. This is a heading, this is a paragraph. Very simple code. And I'm not going to go over it, but there'll be a link in the description, hopefully, for the previous video. And anyway, this will be part of the HTML playlist, so if you're watching on that, just go back and I'll explain this code. But you may not want this to be. I always get that. I'm doing a video and then I just completely have a mind blank. You may want a link to something, so it's most likely going to be a navigation thing that you're going to want to link to. But for this, we're going to link to an external site. And so, yeah, like I said, it's going to be on a navigation bar. You can also have image links that I will go through in another video, but it will probably be on the same page on my website as this video, as this is the links page. And so yeah, links are really useful, especially if you want someone to go to see your YouTube channel. Often you can put it in a button or use some CSS to make it look better than just a normal link. But anyway, let's get down to that. So open angle bracket and then A. I'm not exactly sure what the A is, but it's the A tag basically. And then space this href or href or href. I don't know. How do you say that? Do you just say href? Tell me, guys, in the description if you can write it the way you say it, like h-ref would be href, or like ref. I don't know. But anyway, I think it stands for hypertext reference or hyperreference. I think it stands for hypertext reference. Um, I put it down in the comments if I, or description or something if I find out. Remember to look that up. But anyway, so that's the kind of beginning opening bit, and then you're gonna put equals there. You don't need to leave a space. I'm not sure if it probably does work with the space, but you don't need to leave one for that. And then open speech marks, and thanks to Notepad++, it finishes it for you, but then you're going to want to close it anyway. And then inside here, I'm just going to write URL, because that's where the URL goes. And then you're going to close it with the angle bracket. But that hasn't closed the tag. That's like kind of... This is like the opening of the A tag, and this is kind of like... I'm not sure what this is called when you have tags like this. If I do find out, or if any of you guys know, please tell me, because that'll be pretty useful, because I don't know what that means, what that's called. But you got it in other things, which I won't go into detail now, because this is the video for links. And then here you're going to put the link text. So I'm going to say, learn code here. And then you're going to close the angle bracket, close the A tag. So open angle bracket, /A, close angle bracket. So that's the code for a link. But, of course, we're going to need the URL. So if we open up Chrome... Grrr! Don't want to open up that. Move the mouse. Okay, that's going to pop up or something. There we go. So open up this. And let's just go to digitizepro.dk, the amazing website. As you can see, we've made a great background. There we go. No, I do not want you. I'm sorry for clicking that. Go away. A bit of advertising there. Totally legit advertising. So anyway, if we just go over to the HTML, and this is going to be page 4, we can copy this. As you can see, this is exactly the same as the first kind of text, but I'm going to fix that and make it look decent. Embed YouTube video here. Yeah, okay, and then we go back here, and here where we have the URL, paste it in. You have to have that http://, otherwise, let's see, I'll show you, it's like, that's not a link, even if you got www dot in front of that. So http:// learn, let's change learn code here, learn how to add links in JHTML, that's not a thing yet, it might be. Learn how to add links in HTML. Here, punctuation. And then we're going to save that. And then again, run. Run. Launch in Chrome. And here we have it. This is a heading. This is a paragraph. Learn how to add links in HTML here. You click on that. And there you go. It takes you there. Back arrow takes you right there. Back. So, that is very, very simple code for links, and I will be going over, like I said, image links in another video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for leaving a like. It really makes me happy and helps me out. And also thanks for sharing it to a friend, getting them to subscribe because you subscribed as well. But I don't need you to subscribe because that sounds like I'm a gold digger, kind of just want loads of subscribers. But okay, this is just getting confusing now. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and all of that crap. And I don't know what I'm saying now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video when we do something with code.